Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now paneer is one ingredient that we all love and enjoy, and I've made several recipes with paneer. Adding to that list is another delicious recipe. This is Paneer Lababdar. This is a very rich and creamy dish. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Paneer Lababdar, first I'm going to saute a few ingredients. For this, take a nice pan, add 2 small cubes of butter and 2 teaspoons of ghee. So this is a very nice, rich and tasty paneer dish. First I'm going to add the ginger and garlic, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So we're going to saute all these ingredients and then grind it to a nice fine paste. Next add 2 large onions finely chopped. Next add 3 large green chillies, slit. Saute the onions for about 3 minutes. So you can see they're nice and transparent. Now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. Now I'm going to add 3 large tomatoes finely chopped, a few cashew nuts, 2 teaspoons melon seeds, 6 Kashmiri Red Chillies, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute the ingredients till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Saute the ingredients for about 10 minutes. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now I am going to cool the ingredients completely before grinding them. Just add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So the masala paste is ready. Keep this aside. To the pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add a few whole spices, cinnamon, clove and cardamom. Reduce the flame. To the pan, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder. Keep the flame on low while adding the spice powders because you don't want to get them burnt. Now add the ground masala paste. I'm just going to add a little water to the mixer jar and remove all the excess masala that's sticking to the jar. Wow, the curry is coming together beautifully. So you can see the curry is so creamy and smooth. So make sure when you grind it, it's nice and creamy like this. So we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes on low flame. So after 10 minutes, you can see the gravy looks beautiful. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Add some crushed kasuri methi. Mix everything together. You can check for seasoning at this point, and if you need to add salt, you can add it. So I'm going to grate 50 grams of paneer. For this recipe, I've taken 400 grams of paneer in total. Adding this grated paneer to the curry is going to make it all the more rich and creamy. Now add the paneer cubes. So you can see I've cut them into nice big pieces. So I'm just going to close and cook for another 5 minutes. The Paneer Lababdar is ready. You can see it's got this lovely rich color to it. I'm going to finish off by adding some fresh cream, some chopped coriander leaves, add a few ginger juliennes, gently mix it in. Wow, that looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dig into it. Look at that creamy gravy there. Super rich, creamy paneer lababdar is ready to be served. Wow, Paneer Lababdar looks absolutely fantastic. It is so rich and so creamy with all those lovely flavors, and it's a must-try recipe and it's a paneer lover's delight. You can enjoy it with naan, roti, parathas or even jeera rice. Do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.